योर रूटीन इज द रियल प्रॉब्लम, नॉट योर मेटाबॉलिज्म. हर बार मेटाबॉलिज्म को ब्लेम करना ईजी है, बट डीप डाउन यू नो द ट्रूथ. लेट नाइट स्लीपिंग, रैंडम ईटिंग, स्ट्रेस ऑल डे, जीरो मूवमेंट, पुअर स्लीप. फिर हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बॉडी परफेक्टली फंक्शन करे. योर बॉडी इज नॉट बिट्रेइंग यू, इट्स रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू द वे यू आर लिविंग. वेट गेन, low energy, high sugar, poor recovery. These are warning signs, not bad luck. Most people don't have a damaged metabolism. They have a lifestyle that's silently damaging their health every single day. And the dangerous part, ये problems overnight नहीं आती. They slowly build in the background. But the good news is, the same routine that created the problem can also reverse it. Small daily habits, repeated consistently, can completely transform your body and health. So stop waiting for the perfect time to take your health seriously, because one day your reports, energy and body will force you to. If you genuinely want to fix your routine, improve your health and transform sustainably, drop me a message on WhatsApp.